Hello yet again, YouTube. So this time I'm going to be showing the second box set of this series that I've been getting my hands on. This is Ring the Bells and Sing, Progressive Sounds of 1975. With another lineup again with Caravan, Barclay James Harvest, Bebop Deluxe, Hawkwind, Gentle Giant, Stack Rich again, Yes, Steve Hillage, Camel, Renaissance, Steve Hackett, Baker Gurvett Army, Peter Hamill, Procol Harum, PFM again, Chris Squire, Manfred Mann's Earth Band, Frupp, Steve Hillage. I already named him. Nectar Man, Green Slade, Wigwam, Sensational Alex Harvey Band, Soft Machine, Hatfield and the North, and Vandergraaf Generator. They're all appearing here. So, at least one here. So, yeah. And that'll be it for this video. I'll be leaving a link to my last video, and also the links to my first 4 books available for purchase on Amazon in the description below. And to watch YouTube, have a good night.